Hello there. So today we are going to do two different brow looks. The first one's going to be with eyeshadow. I go in, I line the bottom of my brow to give it some shape. Then I go up to the top, line that, go back into my eyeshadow, fill in the tail end of my brow, doing the beginning of my brow last so that I get more of a natural look, less bold. Then touching up, making sure everything looks good. Second, we're going to go in with a brow pencil. This is MAC in the color Stud. Same thing. I'm going to line the bottom of my brow and the top, giving it shape. Then I'm going to go in and fill in everything, being really light there at the front, making that look natural. Brushing through, making sure there's not anything I want to touch up. And then the last thing I like to do is use a brow wax. I like a wet spoolie into the brow wax, brushing that through. That makes my brows stay in place all day long. This is a still so that you can see the differences in the two looks. What do you think?